Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I have my morning coffee here. What time have we got? Just after 10 o'clock in the morning. Going to give a dividend portfolio update. Stick around. Hey guys, Anthony from Wall Street Bull. Welcome back. I've got my morning coffee here. It's just after 10 o'clock in the morning here in Melbourne, the 23rd of February 2021. Insane. The year is actually flying. I can't believe it, guys. I'll just finish that one up. So I'm wanting to provide a general portfolio update for my dividend investing, because for those of you who are new, I am a dividend investor because I believe in passive income, guys. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you're returning, thank you very much. You guys rock. If you're new to stake as well, guys, I've got a referral code below. Use that and we can get a free stock in Dropbox, Nike or GoPro. Either one of those is a cool company to own. I've got many GoPro thanks to you guys, so thank you very much. I appreciate it. All right, guys, let's get straight into it. Today, I'm down on the day 1.94%, $386.81. It is what it is. It happens time to time. I'm still up 37% across my entire portfolio, $5,280.66. I have had some dividends paid out, you can see there, of 57 cents. And one thing I'm wanting to bring up today, excuse me, that's the coffee, is AMC, guys. I've actually seen a return of $14.49. Yes! I'm seeing some money come back to me. I lost like $50 almost on AMC. Really good to see that coming back. Today it's finished up at $6.55, which is awesome. Really happy to see a return on this investment, guys. It's not quite at $8 when I bought it, but nevertheless $6.55 will do. So I've got 17 shares of AMC sitting at still negative $38. So if I can get my money back, I'm happy. So we'll see what happens, guys. But other than that, guys, the majority of them are a mixed bag today. Apple is down, AGNC is up 64 cents, AMC again. What else have we got here? Let's check a couple of growth stocks actually while I'm here. NEO is down $135 today, which is not too bad considering I bought it at $14 a share, and it's now $50.68. I'm 31 shares of NEO. I'm up $1,067, so I'm up 208%. Can't complain about that. But guys, this is not a dividend stock. So some dividend paying stocks today, and I'll go to ExxonMobil, guys, because this is my biggest holding in my portfolio in terms of dividend payments. I'm sitting at 56.64 shares of ExxonMobil, ticker symbol XOM, you can see there. Again, this has been a significant investment for me because I invested all throughout 2020, and I bought this when it was on the downturn, which happened around March, and obviously it's now gone back up to $54. So I was average price of $40. So I've done pretty well on this. I've had a return of 35%, $809.96. Their dividend yield is 6.65%. Now, when I bought this in March, the dividend yield was sitting at around like $10, I believe. So it has dropped, which means it's becoming more stable. With the vaccine going around now, I think that the oil prices are going to go through the roof or back up because of demand. People are going to be traveling more. Industries are going to be requiring a lot more fuel and oils and so forth. But ExxonMobil, guys, really good dividend pay, and I'll get through my dividend tracker so you guys can see that. So you can see I've got 56 shares of ExxonMobil. Let's have a look here. VYM is another good ETF, guys. An ETF, for the S&P 500. This is a Vanguard product, ticker symbol VYM. Really good dividends to diversify here. I've got 12 shares of this, sitting at a total return of 7.98%, $86, which is pretty good. Dividend yield is sitting at 3%, guys. And obviously with Vanguard, you really can't go wrong if you're really looking to diversify your money. Check out this one because it's a high dividend yield S&P 500 ETF. So check that out. What else have we got here, guys? Let's have a look. Tesla's down today quite a bit. It was peaking up around the month there, around that $800 mark there. You can see there $885, and it's now dropped to $714. So I reckon this is a good buy at the moment, but $714 USD is a lot of money. It's about 1,000 Australian. So quite expensive, guys. So just dollar cost average, put in what you can, I guess, in Tesla. Not a dividend stock. AT&T is a really good one as well, guys. Ticker symbol T. I've got 13 shares of that, and I'm looking to buy more of AT&T as well. I've had a loss if you're at $11, but the dividends make up for that at 7.17%, so it's quite high, but it does bring in some dividends every quarter, which is really good, so that is fine. SPHD is up as well, guys, $39. This is creeping up quite a bit. It was down quite a bit, so obviously you can see here on the month and in the year when it loads, so you can see it's slowly creeping up, guys. It was about $28 around that April-March period when everything turned to shit, and then it's been slowly creeping up since then. So I've been buying SPHD. Monthly dividend payer, guys, just remember that. It invests in the top 50 dividend paying stocks in the S&P 500. So the top 50, this is that index fund here that you guys can invest in every month and get paid those dividends. So I've had a return of 15%, which is really good. $273, guys, so but it's bringing in some significant dividends for me every single month without fail, which is really good and helpful in building a dividend portfolio. Let's have a look here, guys. Realty's up as well, another good dividend company here, $60.10, paying a yield of 4.61%, and I've got 17 shares of Realty. Total return of 5.45%, $57, which is really good, guys. In terms of real estate investments, it's good to diversify your portfolio. Real estate, I think, is coming back now. Hopefully it will with the release of this vaccine, and people are going to be wanting to go to shops and retail and stuff, and Realty's got some significant investments in commercial premises, so Realty's a good one. Let's move now to a couple of other ones, guys. There's so many of them as well. Let's have a look here. EPD is one, the Enterprise Products Partners. This one is a really good dividend yield, guys, and obviously they've had dividend increases as well for the last few years, which is really good. So I am starting to invest into this company as well, as their main business is gas, and they do predominantly in gas. However, they do dabble in oil as well, but mainly gas. And I believe with the the population growth around the world and in the US, there's going to be more demand for gas and stuff like that. So this is a really good company as well, guys, if you're looking for that. The dividend yield is 8.35%, which is on the higher scale, but they have had dividend increases throughout the years as well. So EPD, guys, check that out if you're interested. Make sure you do your research. That's it for pretty much it, guys. Now I just want to move into my dividends that I received so you guys can see that. And we'll go back a couple of days. Let's go back 17th. We'll start here. Stag $1.22, AbbVie $1.45, ERF at 4 cents, Realty at $4.09. That's a really good dividend, guys. At 23 cents a share. I've got 17 shares there. That comes in every single month. So look, how good would that be if it pays you like $100, $200, $300 a month? That'd be insane. Anyway, so EPD, guys, 55 cents. Dividend tax, that was tax. Sorry, this is a weird thing that happened to me actually. So let's have a look here. Where are you? The dividend got paid out later, stranger. I don't know why, but anyway. So I got Prospect Capital, guys. PSEC. This is a risky company, but it pays dividends every month, so I'm happy with that. Hasn't had any dividend increases. 6 cents has pretty much been the same all year. Pays me $6.27 every single month. AMLP of 16 cents. An EPD dividend of $3.65. So this is a really good dividend, guys, at 45 cents a share. It's quite good, and it pays every quarter, so 4 times a year. I don't know what happened here, but they paid me dividend and they took it out, then I paid it again. I don't know why. Anyway, so I had dividends, and I had $11.84 in dividends. That was completely reinvested dividends. So you can see the power of dividend investing, guys. If you get that kind of money in every single month, you're going to be able to reinvest that into a company and buy more stocks, which then increases your dividends and therefore just snowballs every single month. So this is the reason why I'm a dividend investor, guys, because it just builds itself pretty much. And, you've got to put in more and more as you go. What else we got here? Caterpillar, I received a dividend on the 22nd, so that was yesterday. They're paying a huge dividend of $1.03, guys. This is almost as much as VOO, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 index fund. So Caterpillar's really high dividend yield. They're quite expensive though to buy a share in that. And ET was a dividend as well, 40 cents, guys, and that's at 15 cents a share. So that's pretty much what I've received in my portfolio and an update as of today, the 23rd of February 2021. Now I'll go to my dividend tracker. I'm sitting at $819.58 a year in Australian dollars, which is really good. Averaging $68.30 a month. excuse me, $2.25 a day, so almost as much as an espresso. $4.52 is the average yield, which is pretty good. It's not on that high scale. Once it gets above 6 or 7, I've got to start to panic. But 4.5 is great. Today I'm receiving a dividend of 6 cents from WRK. My top 3 payers are ExxonMobil at $250.35, SPHD at $115.14, and Prospect Capital at $95.58. So that's pretty good. This is a really good app, guys, on the App Store, iOS. You can see Realty $63 a year, VYM at $49, AT&T at $36, AGNC of $23, EPD of $19. So it keeps track of all your companies here, guys, in there. And obviously you'll see that it goes up and down with your annual dividend, because sometimes you have dividend increases, sometimes you have dividends that's reduced or cuts or whatnot, and that comes up in here. It's really good to keep track of everything. 27% of my goal has been reached for $3,000 this year. I've been distracted with these stupid AMC and GameStop and all this crap, so I've been distracted from dividend investing, which I'm going to be bringing back now. Definitely going to continue this dividend investing because I want that passive income just in case something hits the fan and I lose the income source, which is something we don't want. So going back to dividend investing, so 31% of my dividends are from energy and minerals companies, and today dividends receivable this month is $68, so that's good. Portfolio here is sitting at $24,764, and you can see the diversified chart there, keeping track of the companies here, guys, so that you can check if there's a suspended dividend like Banco Sartana. That's the second time they've done this, so I just bought this in the early days because I didn't know what I was doing, but held that company. Anyway, guys, that's a good one, and this is a really cool feature I like, is the dividends receivable every month, so you can keep track of what's coming in. So February I was paid $39.84 this month, which is really good. I believe there's some still to be paid out here. What are we now, the 23rd? Let's have a look here what I'm due to receive on the 23rd. WRK, so these are the 6 cents. What else have we got? PBA, Royal Bank of Canada, AGNC, ERF, Main Street Capital, Prospect Capital, SJR, Stag, Gain, LAND, LMT here, and also, sorry, these are the ex-dividends dates, so you need to own the stock before the ex-dividend date to get that dividend when it gets paid out the following month. So that's just what the ex-dividend date means. LTC of 6 cents, MCD's McDonald's, Nike, and OXSQ of 28 cents. So pretty much in March, guys, this is my biggest dividend paying month. $111 I'm due to receive this month, coming March, which is unreal, guys, to see $111 just come in passively without me having to do anything. So that's really cool. And obviously the biggest one out of all of this, if you scroll down, is going to be ExxonMobil at $62.59. So with that money, I'll be buying another stock in ExxonMobil, which would then increase my position and dividends. So really happy about that. What else have I got here? You can see I'm pretty much receiving a dividend every single day, or thereabouts anyway, for the whole month of March. So that's really cool, guys. And the last one of the month is they pay every month at the end of the month, $9.58 from SPHD. So guys, this is my dividend tracker here. Really good app. Downloaded in the App Store. I wish I was an affiliate, but I'm not. So guys, if you own this app and you're watching this video, I want to be an affiliate because I've been promoting the hell out of it. Anyway, guys, so that's pretty much it for my portfolio update. And really good to see AMC coming back, and I'm seeing a little return here. What are we at $14.49. Anyway, all right, guys. So make sure you leave your comments if you've made any new purchases. Let me know in the comments below, and stick with dividends, guys, because I really think it'll help your future moving forward. And hopefully, I'll be making a Discord group so we can discuss everything and have a chat in there, guys. I really think it'll be cool. All right, so stay safe, take care, happy investing, and make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. All right, peace, bye.